On April 25, 2015, a 7.8 magnitude earthquake struck Nepal, also felt in Assam, and referred to as the biggest shake ever. It caused massive destruction, claiming over 9,000 lives. The quake resulted from tectonic movements in the Himalayas. In November 2018, a 7.0 magnitude earthquake hit Alaska, captured on home surveillance videos showing intense shaking. The quake caused significant damage, but no fatalities. Alaska, located on the Pacific Ring of Fire, frequently experiences earthquakes. The April 25, 2015 Nepal earthquake, with a magnitude of 7.8, was notable not only for its devastating effects, but also for the visible lateral ground movement observed during the event. This lateral movement was caused by the collision of the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates. The quake caused massive destruction across a wide area, particularly in the capital city of Kathmandu. Over 9,000 people lost their lives, thousands were injured, and numerous buildings, including historic structures, were reduced to rubble. Aftershocks continued to shake the region, and international rescue teams joined the relief efforts. On November 30, 2018, a 7.0 magnitude earthquake struck Alaska. The quake caused significant damage in Anchorage and surrounding areas, but no fatalities were reported. Roads, bridges, and buildings were severely affected. Alaska, located on the Pacific Ring of Fire, frequently experiences earthquakes. California is located on the San Andreas Fault, one of the most active fault lines in the world, making it prone to frequent earthquakes. Notable quakes include the 1994 Northridge earthquake magnitude 6.7 and the 1989 Loma Prieta earthquake magnitude 6.9, both of which caused significant destruction and loss of life. California implements strict building codes and public education programs to prepare for earthquakes. However, warnings persist about the potential for a major quake to occur at any time. In 2018, Alaska was struck by a powerful 7.0 magnitude earthquake. The shaking caused roads to crack and buildings to suffer damage. Fortunately, early warning systems and strong infrastructure helped minimize casualties. During the quake, people took cover and moved to safer areas. This event was a stark reminder of the importance of preparedness in seismic zones. A shocking start to the school day. A routine school morning in China's Sichuan province took a terrifying turn when a sudden earthquake struck at 8:30 a.m. As the ground shook violently, Students instinctively dove under their desks before sprinting towards the exits. Footage from the school captures the chaos, students and staff rushing to open spaces like playgrounds and roads for safety. The quake, measuring 4.8 in magnitude, thankfully caused no reported deaths or major destruction, though some buildings did suffer minor damage. Emergency teams are now on high alert, bracing for potential aftershocks. What made a difference? A rapid alert system managed to send out a warning just 6 seconds after the quake hit, giving those farther from the epicenter a crucial heads-up. Officials confirmed that the quake originated from a well-known fault line responsible for similar tremors since the 1970s. While locals have experienced these quakes before, the fear and uncertainty never truly fade. For Inside Edition Digital, I'm Mara Montalbano.